Meet Sophia and Jacob. They're homeowners in California who are looking to sell their home and move to a bigger home outside the city. They ran some numbers and decided that with a home value of about $700,000, they could save around $40,000 more if they sell without a realtor. Seemed like the only logical choice. Who wouldn't want to save $40,000, especially when they have the time to wait? However, Sophia and Jacob didn't factor in how much more money working with a great realtor can get them. Working with some of the best realtors in California can help you sell your house for $80,000 more on average. Plus, this market is hotter than ever it's been right now, and people are getting $60,000 over asking anyways. If you want $140K more than you might have been expecting on your home, connect with these top gun realtors in your local area by clicking the Learn More button below. Don't hesitate, because the best of the best realtors we have lined up here give a lot of attention to each client, so they can only handle so many clients. Click that button right this second to make sure you can get access to the best realtors. Don't worry, there's no obligation. You can change your mind anytime. Don't let the biggest opportunity in the last 20 years pass you by. And don't be like Sophia and Jacob. Just fill in your name and contact info, and we'll see you on the other side.